Hello traders, Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to our Forex forecast for our Renko charts. Now, as you can see, I start with Aussie. Why? Because on higher settings, price couldn't go all the way down to my support area. I already have a higher high. Here my 36 EMA has already broken. We use some lines for visual aid, and also on lower settings I'm looking forward for a setup with a nice retracement. As you can see, as soon as I have my opportunities with a 2 to 3 line break, I can go for 380 pips. Not only that, but if I focus on even higher settings, this is a huge 1 to 3 going long. So I'm actually following a major trend. Now if we go to Euro Aussie, you will see that here I had a high, a lower high, a trend line break, a crossover, many filters applying. I have a trend continuation, I have plenty of room, and as always what I need is patience, something that no trader wants to do. That's why we are into profit most of the time, because we know when not to trade. So here, as you can see, market is telling me I'm going short. I have volatility, 12 EMA is holding. Looks like I'm about to get a little bit more of a retracement than usual, than the usual spikes, and that is even better for me. That means extra confirmation on higher settings, going for 1000 pips, of course applying the rules and money management rules for that movement. Euro Aussie going short. Many of you are in long on classic charts on GBPJPY. That retraces a little bit more on M48. Expected. You can see after this trend line here, and if I count the uptrend from my crossovers, we are talking about almost 700 pips. Eventually price will catch a breath. On lower settings that doesn't look that good. That's why we would like to get an M48 retracement. Where is my next target? Plenty of room, far away. Let's see and verify our approach in higher settings. Previous time price reacted here, it created a lower high and then covered, I don't know, like 3000 pips. If this is going to be a false breakout, that is yet to be seen. But on higher settings, price now is entering of a zone counting almost 4000 pips. Again, if someone wants to be more conservative and use also this area here as support and resistance, no problem with me, but this comes from 2009. Again, no problem. In any case, we want the retracement, and besides, let's see what kind of retracement we are going to get. This is 530 pips of a zone, more than enough for us to go long. On GBPCAD, someone would say, why should I look or pay any attention on this rangy pair? Again, if we look at the bigger picture, look at this. This is a trend of 650 pips, and I have a trend line break, my first crossovers, and then everybody's thinking about it. We even had here a pending order that we got stopped out. That doesn't mean we will not continue focusing long. Why? That's why. Because this support area is very powerful. Now, you choose the strategy. The system remains the same. You follow the system, you choose the strategy. You want pending orders, you want to put pending orders on a wedge, you want to wait for a clear setup. I don't mind. What I know is that if I focus long, I will have a lot of pips in my disposal. Once more, the only thing missing here is patience. On AUDCAD we have another combination waiting to happen. Once more, double bottoms, support area here, and on lower settings we already have a trend line break. Again, if all criteria meet, we will be going long, the criteria are met, for 670 pips. Already looking good, very nice. Keep an eye on that. For sure, of course, Monday morning we will check it. We will have it in our daily watch list, and when the time is right, I don't think we will miss any entries on that. On AUDCHF, a very nice combination. I have my reaction, a lower high, I have here a crossover, a very powerful 1 to 3. My 2 to 3 line has broken. I already had a lower settings retracement, and that means if I can get another one, that would be perfect. When you focus on the same settings, always look for lower lows and lower highs. Once more, if we are patient enough, we can go for 400 pips short. Aussie CHF. Here we already have a very big 1 to 3. The downside is that we have also the reaction. My point 2 is on a reaction, so if I go long, I will do it with lower risk. Sorry. Well, actually we are already in, and what happens now, we are waiting for a nice retracement. So again, you see here, price on an M12 gave me an opportunity. We had some pending orders. Did we took any? Well, it was met. We put that for educational purposes. Nevertheless, we are going long. Even better, if you get an M24 retracement, would be going, oops, sorry for that. So you see, we always look at the bigger picture, knowing and following the main trend. This happens, and it is done only by big organizations. So at this point, like I said, let's see what kind of retracement we will have to go long. With this, we close our Forex forecast with Renko. See you again on Monday morning with our top-down approach. Thank you very much, everybody. Stay safe. Bye-bye.